Welcome to another lesson that is part of the TI-30XPlus MathPrint student course. In this lesson we'll be looking at rounding calculations. In the Math menu, press Math. There is a second menu called Num. And there are several commands here which can be used to work with numbers. Many of these are useful in programming language or to modify the output of a calculation to produce a required precision. For instance, the round command can be used to re-express a score that you may have got in a test, say 34 out of 43, multiply it by 100 to work out the equivalent score out of 100, and then a comma and 0 to say that you would like the answer to be rounded to the nearest whole percentage. And when you press enter, you can see that a score of 34 out of 43 is approximately 79%. Also in the Num menu are some other commands that can be used, such as the integer part, fractional part, int, the minimum, the maximum, and we will finish with an example of the mod function. And the mod function can be used to find the remainder when the first number is divided by the second number. And that's saying that if you divide 37 by 7, so for example 7 5s are 35, there will be a remainder of 2. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you.